Hi guys, welcome back on this YouTube channel, or welcome. My name is Margot alias margavalux. I'm talking mostly about luxury because I'm passionate about it. I guess if you click on this video, you are too, so welcome around here. We are a bag lover community and I created my own company with my boyfriend, bamluxurystore.com, where we sell you luxury bags and accessories. So let's dive into the video. The first bag I'm going to show you. So I'm going to show you bags. I'm going to explain you how they are, the condition, and then along the video, I'm going to explain you how to buy, some details and everything. First thing I need to tell you, we are based in Europe, in Spain, Barcelona. I'm French, but we live in Spain. But we ship worldwide. Worldwide. If you have any question, just ask. Okay, so the first bag I want to show you is this amazing Alma monogram, size medium. The condition I would say is good, very good. It has lost a bit its shape, but you can fill the bag with a bag organizer or just fill it, actually, like very simply. The condition on this one is actually very good. On the base, you have very few and you have only very few stain. It's not stain, actually, it's like trace of wear, but it's very few for this type of bags. Usually you have lots of little stains. Even on the sides, actually it's gorgeous. Even the corners are just a little bit rubbed, but almost not. This one is perfect. Like the leather parts here and there are gorgeous. Even the top handles are not so dark. Actually, they are like starting to caramelize a little bit, to tint a bit, but otherwise, such a good condition. The canvas is perfect. The gold hardware also is as new, like as new, guys. And the inside of the bag, I'm just having a look. Perfect. Like the inside of the bag is as new also. I'm very impressed. You have a little pocket here with the sticker. Well, with the, it's not a sticker, it's the tag, the brand tag with the serial number, and it's here. Now this bag is pretty recent and the condition is amazing. The price I'm gonna give you in euro, but you're gonna have on the screen the USD price. When you go on the website, if you're connected from the US, you will have also USD and you will be able to pay in USD without any problem. Okay, so the price for this one is 550 euro and the condition on this one is gorgeous and it's available. To buy the bags, you can go either directly on the website, I'm going to just put again the website here, or you have the links in the description, so just check. You have other bags on the website also, but I do every Wednesday a bag drop day. It's explained in the description, but you have like a bag drop day every Wednesday. You receive an email at 3 p.m. New York City time or like 6 p.m. Paris time. If you subscribe to the newsletter, of course, you have the link in the description. And then this video released at 3:30 p.m. New York City time and 6:30 p.m. Paris time. Then you have all the news. It's every Wednesday. It's a backdrop day. Okay, the next item I want to show you is this amazing long wallet from Chanel. This one is very, very specific, I have to say. This is kind of a classic one, but with smaller square, I would say, on the lever. So this is very specific, and the button. I will try to show you more closer if it works. This way you can see more details. The condition on this one, like it's a black lambskin leather, so beautiful one, vintage, amazing. Like the condition of the leather is actually pretty good on the outside. The corners are rubbed and a bit damaged. This one is kind of damaged. It would like need a small repair if you want. On this side, a bit less, but the other side, yes. I'm not gonna lie, also around here and there. Because it's not a brand new one, it's a used one. Like the Prussian button works super fine. Inside here is very good. You can see the sign Chanel. We have for this one the authenticity card, so I'm actually very happy. And on the inside, you have still like the papers to fit in the pockets. We have here lots and tons of pocket inside. I'll try to show you closer also. The coin section is dirty, of course it was worn, but otherwise the condition actually is very good, I would say. And I'm trying to have a look on the sticker. The sticker is here and it's a 16 series. So it's not that vintage, but kind of. It's a beautiful one. I just love it. And the price for this one is very low. It's 350 euro. And it's actually such a nice one, very useful. I hope you guys are going to buy it. Also, we do offer payment plans, so it means you can pay in once, of course, but 2, 3, 4 times. It's actually very good. But if you want to pay in 4 times, for example, or 2 times, it's not on the website because it's without no fee. And you can contact us directly. I will create you the invoice, and you can make a bank transfer every month or every week, or we are flexible how long as you want, but only up to 4 months. So the other bag I wanted to show you is this very cute Celine bowling bag, I would say in English, I guess. I hope the accent is good. Sorry in advance because I'm French, so my accent is not perfect either like also as my English is not. But I try to tend like to increase it. So the Celine bowling bag is in very good condition, I would say. I love the Triumph one. It's a Triumph canvas plus leather. The condition on the outside is actually very good. Corners are a bit rough, but otherwise it's so nice. We have a silver monogram. We have the sticker here with like the small M12 number. And the inside now is in, I would say, beige leather. I'll try to show it to you. We have kind of a stain inside, like looks like green. I am not sure actually. Yeah, you have a stain just here, and yeah, it looks like something was maybe written or I don't know, but it's not anymore. And we have a zipper pocket just here, like also in very good condition. The inside is in fabric of this pocket. And yeah, the bag actually is in very good condition. I have nothing to say. And the price for this one is 319 euro. Let's go to the next item. And we have a bag. This one, I love it. This is a Prada nylon bag from Prada, obviously. This one is in blue, and the condition of this one is very good. The blue is not that dark, but kind of also. And I don't know, I love it. This bag is so cool. You have a little stain, very little stain here and there, but otherwise this is all. And we have the cards for this one. So we have the authenticity card for this one. And yeah, the color is called Royal. It's blue, royal blue. Inside is amazing. Like inside is actually in very good condition. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see anything. I'll try like more closer, but yeah, now the inside is very good. We had the authenticity card, and the price for this one is 460 euro. Very good price for this baby. I'm just gonna let this baby here because it's just so worth it. Like, look at this, it's beautiful. And the other one I want to show you, I know you are going to love it. This is a small Louis Vuitton little pouch. The condition is actually very good for this one. The outside is perfect. Like the outside is very good. You have the gold hardware like as new, same for the leather parts here. The only thing about this one is on the inside, so it's leather, and it starts to I don't know how to say, it's not peeling because it's not peeling, but yeah, it's kind of start to damage a little bit, but without damaging. Like it's not broken, it's not peeling, but you will see on the pictures. You have everything on the website, pictures, description, everything. And if you want more information, I can make you like a small video. I can make you like a more close-up look of the bags and everything. And the price for this one is 185 euro. I think this is all for today. Please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, comment the video, go on the website, and happy backdrop day. I will see you this Sunday for a more classical video. Bye bye!